You know, so it is super powerful, and it's just a slightly different way of using technology. As theoretically, with SMS, there's no reason why you couldn't sit down and do it manually, but it'll take you a shitload of time. So
ain't nobody got time for that. I think that's the meme,
ain't
isn't it?
nobody got time for that. So the philosophy here is basically, if we have to do it more than once or more than twice at least, then let's try and see if we can automate it, and that's basically what we do. As long as it still gives a personal feel and people don't feel like they're being bombarded. I think last we spoke, Ryan, one of the big things I talked about that I'm really concerned about is overwhelm. So we really we in fact, since you and I spoke, we've actually turned off some of our automations, just because we feel that with the number of listings that we've got going through the company at the moment, with the amount of correspondence that comes out from us through email or social media posts or text messages and stuff, we just don't want people to be feel like they're being overwhelmed, and then at the moment it would feel overwhelming because we have a number of properties coming through.
Less is more. Less is more.
Less is more, and I think if the stuff that you're sending to people is always or as close to always relevant, then they're much more likely to actually take you seriously and open your content, and you're going to get a much more positive reaction. And that's certainly the feedback we're getting, because that's feedback drives a lot of our business, and that's something that's been really important. Like I said, overwhelm, I think, is the biggest thing. You can do set and forget, but I think you're shooting yourself in the foot.
Yeah, you have to. What I've learned with messenger marketing, and it's a similar form. Obviously, I just use Facebook Messenger instead of SMS. Is less is more first and foremost, but giving them a gate to disappear as well. Like if they want to do business, is actually if they don't want to do business, is actually okay. And giving them an exit, because they're not people we want to potentially talk to right now, but maybe down the track.